Hi, you're doing good. So I went ahead and put together an AI strategy to make sure that you guys have human first based approach. So these are going to give you some ideas if you're ever implementing AI or AI voice to just keep and even improve having better interactions with the customer. Because at the end of the day, the customer wants faster, better, and easier. And on the sales side, you want those customer touch points. That's still super important. So these are some ways that you could implement with it with AI here. So since customers wants that speed, the clarity, they want help immediately. If a customer is ever in a waiting queue, the AI voice can be utilized then to answer questions instantly. It can gather the key details and then route to a human quickly from there. So then your employee side can go ahead also and solve their issue faster. They already have the information needed right away. So it reduces that wait time friction or frustration by the customer, and they're feeling like they're getting help right away. And then on the employee side, they have the basics before they even say hello. So they already know the issue type, the symptom, the urgency, what they've tried, the model number, if that's available. And then two, having a proven touch point safeguard so there's no dead end. So the customer side, they clearly are informed that they can say human representative at any point and get an instant transfer. And then the key difference is when they transfer, the team has that memory handoff. They also have a sentiment level. So they know the tone of the customer too, if it needs to be, directed to a certain person to help them based off of that. The customer is not having to repeat themselves. So for example, instead of saying, hey, what's going on today? The employee can say, hey, I see the AC isn't cooling. You've already checked the filters. Let's go ahead and do this as the next step. So it solves their issue even faster. And definitely it's key, not replacing humans, but substituting where it's needed for off hours also. So you can utilize the AI voice during peak volume, weekends, after hours. So how this can work is during those windows, the AI can go ahead and handle any questions, capture a complete ticket, could schedule callbacks, and then it could also send the customer troubleshooting steps via text or email in the meantime and create a case with a full context for the next day on Monday when your employees come in. They have that. And so you're able to then provide customer support even when the humans aren't available. This is going to prevent the abandoned calls, the callback later frustration, and deliver a stronger ROI with minimal disruptions because also the customer are having more touch points too because they're also feeling like they are getting help during that time when they're utilizing the most, right? When they're on vacations, when they're on the weekends. So those are some of the ways that you can utilize AI voice while keeping those human touch points, which is extremely important. And then also your team being able to have the predictive insights and leadership visibility, such as, top call drivers, volume, escalation points, the sentiment trends from the customer, and that predictive insights to help then spot what's becoming a problem next. Is there seasonal patterns? Is there trending issues? Is there repeat call drivers? What are those? So the predictiveness is really early warning signs for your leadership team. So that's ways to help customers get faster help, have an easy path to humans, and your employee agents can get information upfront through that memory handoff. So hope that helps of ways to make sure you're not losing touch points when you're integrating AI and to actually help the customer solve issues faster, easier, and better. Hope you have a great day and looking forward to speaking.